Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix Shazam app not working on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. Fix this issue. First of all, Shazam app not working, so turn off Bluetooth while using the Shazam app. Then you have to open the setting and click on general or click on Bluetooth. Then you have turn off Bluetooth. Then you have use the Shazam app on your iPhone. So then another solution you have reinstall. So open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage, then you have Shazam app. So then you have check from here, so you have click here, then you have click on upload, and then you have a few seconds wait, and then you have reinstall from here. So then other solution you have go back from here, then you have restart your iPhone. So then volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then mobile is restart your iPhone. So then other solution you have privacy resistance, then turn off. So then you have open the setting and click on screen click on screen time, click on screen time, then you have click on contents privacy and restrictions, then you have turn off this option. Then last solution you have reset network setting, then again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer and reset, then click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, do not lose any data, only reset network setting on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. 5 to 10 seconds wait. So hopefully guys fix this issue and 100% working on your iPhone. Then hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.